Get excited about the 2018 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a trip computer, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.